Boss Nation, what's up? We back again with another reaction part. Well, I guess you could say song 2 from my homie Rell. You can look him up on Spotify. Creek Water, Rell from Rico. Yeah, we there. How everybody doing? And everybody either at work or just coming home from work. I trust me, I know exactly how you feel. I know how you feel. But anyway, we're gonna get into it. Seen a song or heard a song earlier that I want to react to, the new J. Cole and Joyner song that I want to do an official reaction. So it's not gonna be a reaction, really. It's gonna be a review because since I've already heard it. But yeah, let's get into it. Hope everybody's having a good night so far. Okay, hold on. All right, here we go.
When you fed up, when you fed up.
Let's get into it. Let's see what he's talking about.
Fed up, when you fed up, when you fed up, yeah. Cash rule everything around, get your bread up. When walking in the deep, always gotta keep your head up. Gotta the police and keep your legs up.
You gonna give it to me like that? I'm coming in hot.
Happen when you fed up. We gon' meet the quota. No baking soda, I done organized my paper. I brought a photo, spending hella money on that dumb shit. I'm done with it. I'ma stay that bread and see how rich a nigga really get.
Stack it.
Brought a safe to see how many faces fit in it. Gymnast, I be flipping shit. Manifest my
See how many faces fit in
my
it.
point of view, only way I was gon' win. I'ma put my mama in a house and slide her a new Benz. I ain't had them, ain't no friends. Now that
All
I'm
facts.
for them ends. At your nail like once again. I don't need no pad and pen. I be going off the top. I ain't write shit at the end. I let it slide once, but I can't let it slide again. You know cash rules everything.
Cash rules everything. I'm trying to do is get my bread up.
Gotta the police and keep your lead tucked. And you gon' make shit happen when you fed up.
You do though. You won't make it happen until you get fed up.
I was down bad and I made something out of nothing. Ain't no bluffing. This shit ain't magic. Money was sporadic. Now it's automatic. Ask me how I get it. I just treat it like I had it back when I ain't had no address.
Treat it like you been had it.
Pressure made diamonds. What the fuck you think it do for me? Things they wanna talk, but I can't let them through to me.
Diamonds. Pressure make diamonds. What you think it do to me?
I get a bag and split it down the middle. I feel like Moses. Got a lot on my plate. I can't complain cause I chose it.
Can't.
They wanna make it hard for us. They know that we chose it.
We chose them.
Pain, I bring that thing like the rose. How you really seeing clearly if your third eye ain't open? If you wanna see some change, you gotta be that change you wanna see. How you thinking you gon' get that cake without no recipe? Cash rule.
You wanna be the change, you gotta make it first. You got to. Can't nobody make it for you. It starts with you first.
And you gon' make shit happen when you fed up. Cash rule everything around, get your bread up.
Get your bread up.
Always gotta keep your head up. Gotta the police and keep your lead tucked. And you gon' make shit happen when you fed up.
Well, that was Fed Up by Rell. We gonna keep it up. We gonna do another one. Might be able to do the last one too.
Put in the work and enjoy the fruits of my labor. I manifest all of this shit. I'm on the road, feel it in my soul. I know there ain't shit that a nigga can't get. Seeing is believing. I be believing that I'm rich.
Got to. Believing that I'm rich.
Outside in my driveway, nigga from the creek get money like 5 ways.
Come on.
My way, and that's important.
That's important. My way.
They imported that third. I keep shit from being so distorted. These rappers ain't real, they be wrapped in distortion. I came up poor, I can't give you no portion. This is how I like to be when you force shit. Gave a little bitch my heart and she torched it. Yeah. Life goes on and on. Life goes on and on.
That's life.
Goes on and on.
Goes on, keep moving. But you gotta move with it.
Yeah. Life goes on and on.
Talk your shit, Rell.
Life goes on and on. Life goes on and on. I'm on a come up, I caught some more men on my tree. This negativity like it's venom. I can't let it in on my temple. Plain Jane, but ain't nobody simple. Look what we been through, me with the drivable rental. If I don't like it, I cannot pretend to. That's why some niggas ain't with me now. But the bars that I spit here like 50 cow. Having fun, I be beating them by them out. I plan all of
that was a bad imitation.
My way with it like a only child. Took a while, but we up and running. This shit ain't come easy. This industry sleazy. I just put on for my hometown like Jeezy. Applying that pressure where need be. I risk it all for my baby. I know she won't leave me. Yeah. Her by my side, I make it look easy.
Make it look easy.
Make it look easy. Tried in my head, she came through and freed me.
Get you one. Get you one of them. When you trapped in your head, in your own head, they can help you out. I'm trying to tell you. All right, I think this the last one.
I see the big picture. I see the big picture. You know, brand new Hellcat off the lot. I'm claiming
That's it.
Often it ain't
That's all you talk about. You gonna get that Hellcat one day, bro. I know it.
If they don't fit in your picture, you can't make them fit. You know that shit ain't it. I'm yelling death to all Judas. Yeah. I see snakes in face from miles away. That third I clutch, that red I clutch. Strong arm in my might.
Come on. Spit it.
Working through all my goals with my soul. From the concrete I rose.
Concrete rose. Get it? From the concrete I rose.
Had your chance, that window closed, and this ain't one of those. One of those. Stand up in the shows, I'm ballin' like a pro. I ain't who I used to be before, but you already know. Yes, sir. You already know. I'm so close to my break, I feel it with my eyes closed.
You next. You up next, bruh.
And my day one, a snake, and he be thinking it'll show. But brand new Hellcat out the lot. I'm claiming
You got to.
often it ain't how far
Claim it.
aim is who you aiming with. If they don't fit in your picture, you can't make them fit. You know that shit ain't it. I'm yelling death to all Judas.
Death to all Judas. Gotta get out of here.
Stabbing your back while you turning your head. Against the wall, I'm getting this bread. I gave my heart, they let me for dead. Oh yeah, heard what I said.
Can't trust everybody. Can't trust everybody. Whole pie, not the sliver. It's coming. Gone. Come on. Speak it. Oh, wait a minute. I died on me. Hold on. There it is.
You can't make them fit. You know that shit ain't it. I'm yelling death to all Judas. Yeah. I see the bigger picture. I see the big picture. I see the big picture.
I think this was the last song. yeah, that was the last song. My bad about that. Car cut off on me. Do car reactions for right now till I get a camera. But yeah, that was the rest of the mixtape. Rell from Creek Water. Rell from Creek Water. Rell from Rico. The mixtape is called Creek Water. It's on Spotify. You can find them on Spotify. Creek Water. Rell from Rico. Go look them up. But yeah, man, you know that was the homie. I told him I was gonna go ahead and check out the rest of them. I did one already yesterday. I said I was gonna check out the rest of them. I'm still new to this, so hopefully, as time goes on, I get better. But yeah. For those who don't know, I'm Jay, Boss Nation. We up next. Any requests, music, anything that you want me to react to, it won't be it'll be like this reaction. It'll be just the audio, because I don't have a camera, so it'll be just reaction music as far as I do now. Like I said, it'll be just the audio. But yeah, anything you want me to react to, just drop it in the comments, below, and I'll try my best to get to all of them. Boss Nation, gone.